Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to yet another amazing content. So today is my wash day routine and I'm taking you guys along. Yeah, this one I've taken down my mini braids. I carry this mini braids for 2 months and it's time to take it down. So I have done that off camera and now I want to first of all by doing a pre-pull stroke detangling method, which I'm using okra. Okay, I love the fact that okra helps in the sliminess of your hair. Like when you put it, hydrates your hair and it gives you enough space to detangle your hair very well. Like if you are not using okra in your routine, you need to try to do that because it's going to help you in the long run. If you don't have flaxseed gel, you can use okra. Okay, it works very well. So I am going to open my okra. Like I store my okra in the freezer and it does not spoil. All right, so if you see a previous, is it 2 or 3 previous videos where I created the okra gel, so this is the one that is remaining because I left it in the freezer and it's not time for me to use it up. So that is why I'm using it for my detangling method stroke pre-pull, because this works as 2 ways for me, detangling and pre-pull. That's what I'm going to be doing. So what I do is to apply it directly on my hair, then use my hand finger detangle, separate any strands of hair that is attached together, even at the ends of my hair. Like my hair is growing, like see me. I am so happy about the growth, guys. Like the journey so far, I know it's not going to be easy, but I know we will get there. We'll get the growth. Okay, if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. This is not a very full detailed video of what's the routine. This is just me showing you all how I detangle my hair and wash it after 2 months, because I've gotten a lot of messages about my wash the routine, which I have done a lot of videos in my channel about wash the routine after I have taken down my braids, but I decided to do this one again just in case you missed the previous ones. So if you stumble across this video, thank you so much for watching. All right guys, so don't forget to use your hands, finger detangle, separate each strand of your hair so that it's easier as you go into your wash day. You know, carrying mini braids for long can make the strands of your hair stuck together. So that's why it's good to use a slimy products like okra gel or flaxseed gel when it comes to detangling and pre-pull. Yeah, have you done pre-pull? Do you do pre-pull? What kind of pre-pull do you do on your wash day routine? And let me know what are your wash day routine steps in the channel. All right, so this is just for only that hair. This is the fallout I have. So here I am done with the detangling stroke pre-pull routine. I am going to wash my hair using this mega growth wash pack. Okay, combo pack. I'm going to use that. Then this is going to be my deep condition, because you know we need to deep condition our hair after a very long time. So in here I have flaxseed gel, I have rosemary, I have ginger, I have cloves, I have hibiscus, I have cinnamon, I have rice, like white rice and red rice inside. Yes, so these are the teas I have been doing. So I just store them in my freezer for a wash the routine, and I always use it for my deep condition. As I said in all my videos, anytime you do a tea or a gel with flaxseed gel, just leave it. You can use that as a deep condition for your hair. So I cooked it, allowed the water to dry a little bit, blended it. Now I'm using this cheesecloth to strain it. I'll make sure I press everything out, all the water will come out. Then the water, I'll show you guys how I make it a little bit thick, because we don't need it to be watery. So I'm just going to squeeze, make sure I squeeze out everything, like literally every little drop of water has to come out from this, because we need everything for our hair. Here is the chaff we don't need, and this part you can do away with it, like, and throw that away. So I'm going to transfer the water of my ingredients, or those things I blended together. I'm going to transfer it inside a pot, then I'll cook it for a while. When it's thick, you know when it's thick because you'll be turning it. Make sure you're turning it. So when it's thick, you take it down. So I have done washing my hair, and this is what my hair looks like. Okay, after this we are going to apply the condition, because I didn't add any product condition inside. So this is just a natural deep condition, or will I call it max, hair max, I'm using on my hair. This is going to help you to strengthen your hair. It's going to help you to build your hair from the roots to the tip. Okay, so I love using the combination of this max. Is really amazing for hair growth and hair thickness. So if you want to thicken your hair, try this. Okay, so I'm just going to part my hair in sections, and we'll work in sections because it's much easier for application. So here is the max. As you can see, it's thicker than previously when it was watery, because I cooked it till it's thicker. It's just like, I don't know if you know how to make akamu, or you know how to make custard. If you're in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. And that's how you make this. So it's still warm, so I'm going to be using it as it's warm to apply on my hair and the roots of my hair, the ends of my hair, every part of my hair. I need to apply this max all over. And as I apply, I'm using my hands to apply it, and I still use my hands to separate, finger detangle. This is very nourishing for your hair. Okay, so guys, if you are going to try this mask, let me know in the comment section. All done applying the mask on my hair. As you can see, my hair, the volume of my hair is very full. Like, I'm just happy I started this mini braids challenge, because my hair before was not something to talk about. But I'm glad that my hair is healthy. The most important thing for natural hair is to be healthy. Okay, if your natural hair is healthy, you'll definitely achieve growth. So as you can see, my hair looks so full. So I am going to cover it. I let this sit on my hair for 30 to 45 minutes before I rinse it out. So time is up, and I am going to be rinsing this out with lukewarm water so that I can remove everything from my hair. Then after that, I will go in with my Mega Growth condition. That condition is really good because it made my hair so soft, like really soft. So this is me after I've applied the Mega Growth condition on my hair. I allow it to sit for under 30 minutes on my hair. So in total, deep condition and normal condition, in total I did like an hour and 15 minutes, so which is really good. So after this, I rinsed out my hair, and this was how I carried my hair before I went to braid it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.